Good morning, everybody. This is Greg Finn, Camel River Guide Service, and welcome to another edition of Camel River Fishing. We're just delighted to death to have you here today. Hey, I got some people here from McKinney and Dallas in the big metroplex area up there in Dallas. They drove all the way down here this morning to fish with me. Can you believe that? You need to do the same thing, so come on. Hey, let me introduce him to you. You'll meet him up here later. It's Bob Taggart up front. You'll see him a little bit later. He's the one who booked the trip. His brother is Steve Taggart, is that right? And then his son-in-law is Mac Poe. Yeah, baby, they know how to fish. I think Steve used to be over there in Mississippi, so he knows all about crappie fishing. He's already asked me, you gonna catch whites or blacks? I said, both. All right. Hey, sit back, enjoy the show. Watch it at the end. We'll show you what we did. This is Greg Finn, and this is Camel River Guide Service. And so what you want to do is flip it out there and let it line out where you think it's within 10 feet, and then hold that level right there. That'll work. We'll keep him. He's all right. All right, let down, let fall. There you go. I caught that fish for you.
That's a good fish.
You all right?
Be careful. You're gonna need to get your picture made with that fish, son.
Okay, these fish are right here, about 10 to 12, 15 feet right out this way now. Tip and look and keep that level up. Get a hit.
Got a little bump.
Set the hook when you get that bump.
Fish.
I
Now,
put you on that fish.
you did put me right on it.
I did put you on that fish. Got a man up there who understands what I'm doing. Two of them. All right. All right, let's straight down. Let's straight down. All right, you're in the strike zone right there. Just let her drift. You fix to get hit. There you go, baby. He ain't no keeper though. That in there might be. Yeah, he ain't keep. He ain't no giant. I think he's a keeper.
That's a good one. Good.
Where you at? I don't see where you're at. You flipped it out there. All right, come straight down up there, or you just bring her straight down, I guess. Straight down.
You ever get checked out here?
No. We got it though. Come around here, let me get your picture on that fish right there. That's what you do. He ought to be on. Pick it up just a little bit. Right there, hold it. Bam! Didn't he hit it?
Picked him up. Hot dog.
How deep was that fish?
There's a little fish.
All right, 15 feet. Watch the handle. I got a bunch of them that size right there. Right there. That's good. Let's straight down. They're right out that way in front of you. Right there about. They've done moved down about 12, 13, 14 feet. All right, come down.
That's not good. I'm telling you, now I'm catching quantity and size.
I'm going to move y'all up there. We can go straight down on them up there. Down. You can almost go straight. Go straight down with you. Straight down. They're moving back up toward the boat. Straight down. Come straight down. Straight down. Stop. Come on. There's two. Come on, guys. Come on.
You better get one, Bob.
Come on, 3. Triple.
Ha, dog. That's a good fish too.
Look at him. Look at him. Y'all, look out there. I know 2 of them are good. Look at all 3 of them. Twin sisters.
Look at here. Let's get a triple picture.
You over here and take a picture of all 3. That's pretty good. That triple fish. All 3 of them pretty good fish. That £1.75. You got that top nose again?
Ooh, man. You got it close.
Turn around here and let me take a picture. We ain't got time for food, all y'all. Okay, folks, you see us got norther coming through, but not before we got a box full of fish. Got about 62 in there, and I'm here to tell you they're all nice fish. But I got to get out of here because it's starting to lightning out here, and we don't want to see lightning. That's the old boys there that done it. Name me. Sound off.
Steve Taggart.
Steve Taggart. BT, Big Bob Taggart. Mac Poe. They had a good time. We're gonna get on out here. Come see me sometime. You know what to do. www Camel River Guys Service, or you can call me at 936-229-2370, and I will hook you up. Until next time, keep your powder dry and your lines wet. And grin every now and then. I'm telling you, it's good for it. Ain't it, Mike?
That's right.
Hey, that guy right there, he gets you in trouble. You better not hang around him too much. Until next time, this is Greg Finn, and this is Camel River Guys Service, baby. Y'all take care. Take care of them kids, too.